Today we're going to talk about fuel systems. What little I've learned is that in order for the engine to get its full potential power, you have to have the right amount of fuel flow and airflow. This fuel pump here is a single valve fuel pump, and it will deliver about 6 pounds of pressure. When the engine was built, the machine work that was put into the head, the cylinder head here, and the camshaft inside the engine, the compression ratio and everything warrants that the carburetor needs to be able to deliver not only a certain amount of fuel but also a certain amount of air. So this engine requires 500 cubic feet a minute of air and fuel flow. And the carburetor that's on here now, I didn't realize it was too small, and it flows about 185 cubic feet a minute. So just imagine going to McDonald's, getting a couple of drinking straws, putting them in your mouth, then run and trying to breathe through them. Not going to happen. So same thing. So we're going to transition into the shop here. Now, in previous videos, I went through the fuel strainer, and I found another fuel cock shutoff valve, but the inside diameter of the of this thing is too small. These are World War II, and you can see the inlet is really big. That's like 1/4 inch. And then the outlet is just as big. You can see through if I can aim it just right. Yeah, there it is. You can see through it. Problem was the fittings. Now this fitting here will fit into the top mount of the fuel strainer, but this compression fitting won't work on the rest of the fuel lines that I've purchased. So I did an experiment, and I'll see if I can zoom in. I took my countersink and this fitting, and it was originally shaped like that fitting, and I chucked the countersink up in my drill motor and made it concave so that it would mate with this fitting that you can see is convex. Now I've already prepped this petcock and I'm about to countersink it. So I'd rather be able to have as much fuel flow as possible than to run out when the engine's running about 3/4 power. So I'm going to set you down here. Yep, and it's pretty simple. Just take the fitting and the countersink. Just takes a gentle push. You can see we've started to make it concave. So I'm going to work on that just a little bit more. That's pretty good. That's just about where I want it. So I'll take this fitting and see how well it fits up. That makes a pretty good joint. I can feel it in there. Yeah, so I'm going to go with that. And now I can use this petcock an original one from World War II on the fuel strainer. And I'm going to do another video. The fuel systems, the entire fuel system in the truck's going to be down for a bit, so I'm going to turn this 5-liter German jerry can, Kraft stuff, which is fuel, and then down here is Fuel Gefährlich. I don't know. My German's not so good, but it's fire warning. Anyway, so that's going to be it for another video. But thanks for watching, and have a great day.